Guys, have you ever wondered whether there can be a connection between your hair loss and your digestive issues? Yes, you heard me right. There can be a connection, and that's what I'm going to talk about in this video. If you have any digestive issues, if you have stomach upsets, how can that cause hair loss? So let's discuss one by one. So first of all, we all know that nowadays we have a lot of antibiotics. And what do these antibiotics actually do? They disturb the friendly bacteria of our digestive system. So we take antibiotics for a multiple host of things, such as if we have fever, if we have cough, loose motions, then we take antibiotics for such problems. Antibiotics are one of the most commonly prescribed medications, and these antibiotics directly damage the friendly bacteria that are already present in our digestive system. Now, these friendly bacteria that are present in our digestive system help us in many ways. First of all, these friendly bacteria produce biotin. Yes, friends, these bacteria that are already present in our gut help to produce certain vitamins and minerals in our gut itself. Biotin is one such vitamin that is very easily produced by these bacteria. Now, if you're taking antibiotics, the amount of these bacteria go down and the biotin production will also go down. And we all very well know that biotin is a very important vitamin that helps in hair growth in multiple ways. So disturbing the gut microflora can directly damage your hair. Also, if our gut microflora is damaged, the other thing that can very commonly happen is a leaky gut. Now friends, what exactly is a leaky gut? Intestines are normally lined by epithelium, simple lining of the intestine. This lining helps to absorb the vitamins and minerals and also to keep away toxins. But when we have a leaky gut, in case there is any kind of inflammation, if you have gastric upsets, if you have loose motions, if we have problems such as IBS, which is inflammatory bowel syndrome, or ulcerative colitis, these are inflammatory diseases of the digestive system. So if we have such problems, we get a leaky gut. And in a leaky gut, the toxins are absorbed directly into the blood. Now, whenever these toxins are absorbed directly into the blood, our immune system gets triggered. Now, what does it do? As soon as the toxins are in the blood, our immune system will get activated and produce an inflammatory response. Because of this inflammation, our hair can also get damaged. Many times, people who have digestive issues complain that as soon as our digestion goes in a toss, we suffer from hair loss. So yes, digestive system problems can directly give you hair loss because of the leaky gut, also because the microflora has dropped. Any kind of inflammation can also give you hair loss because there are so many inflammatory mediators present in the blood, such as TNF-alpha. So as soon as we have any inflammatory problems, it's the same TNF-alpha cytokine that is released from the gut that travels through the blood till the hair, and there it can damage our hair. Also, some recent studies have surprisingly shown that gut microflora can directly affect the microflora on our scalp. Yes, friends, there are some friendly bacteria that are present in the gut as well as across our bodies in different parts. So whenever microflora or the friendly bacteria of one place get disturbed, that can cause a disturbance in the microflora of some other place. So when the microflora of our gut gets disturbed, that disturbs the microflora of our skin. When the friendly bacteria on the surface of our scalp get disturbed and the harmful bacteria number increases, that again can cause inflammation leading to hair loss. Another way in which gut problems can cause hair loss is that any kind of inflammation in the gut can decrease the absorption of essential nutrients. So if you have IBS, if you have ulcerative colitis, if you have leaky gut, or if you have acidity issues, that can directly decrease the absorption of important vitamins, minerals and other amino acids that are very essential for hair growth. If these nutrients are not absorbed, it is obvious that the hair will not be able to grow. So now friends, we need to understand how to correct this. So first of all, we need to include in our diet certain probiotics. So yes friends, look for good probiotics. You can also take your dermatologist's recommendation of a good probiotic that will increase the number of friendly bacteria in your gut. These friendly bacteria will reduce your leaky gut, they will heal your gut, and as soon as our digestive tract is healed, it will produce all the vitamins that it can, such as biotin. It will also improve the amount of nutrients that are absorbed from the gut, and the inflammation that is happening in the gut that is damaging the hair, that will also be reduced. So friends, I hope you have understood how gut problems can lead to hair loss. So make sure you are having a healthy diet, Do not have a lot of spicy and oily foods, and make sure you're incorporating a probiotic in your diet. That will give you great hair. So friends, if you found my video useful, please do like it, share it with your friends and family, and do not forget to subscribe to our channel. Bye-bye.